Hello, mga kabayo. You can see we have a flat tire here. Good morning, Philippines! In the truck. So the first thing we do is locate what's wrong. We see a screw here. I'm hoping that's the only thing wrong. I'm going to use a silver marker. Usually I like to use a white grease pen. But I can't find one right off the top of my head. So just something that will stand out on the black. And then I got to put this screw down here where I can get to it easier. Screw is right about here.
Hold on. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going.
First we got to pull the screw out. Then we got to clean up the hole, and then we got to put a plug in.
So what you gonna do first?
I'm going to put the plug in here so it's ready. Because we're not going to take the tire off the car to do this. We can, but we're not going to. Pull through like a needle.
Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, what the heck? No. Turn it over, honey. Poor. You know they are. So you have to take that thing first. Wow, that's a big thing. Hello.
You there?
Yeah. What did you do next? Hello, hon. Why you kind of sideways?
It's the same way it's cooking up.
Hello. Hello, that's really hard. Pull it out. It's not in yet. Give it to me. Okay.
And it makes a knot inside.
Not inside? Do you make sure that it's not inside?
It makes a knot inside of it. That's how it comes out of here. Now we just take a razor blade.
And you think that's safe already?
Oh, we're gonna find out. We'll fill with air.
From here, from our garage, you run over.
Could be from anywhere.
So you're gonna cut the thing. Be careful, huh? Watch your finger.
And Managabario is my wife. Supposed to be sleeping, and then she has to get up and be annoying because I'm doing something. Instead of just going and sleeping and leave me alone. She don't do that. We have this cabinet for glasses and stuff, and I'm going to try and put some lighting into it. But I try and get the lighting in it today, and then I'll run the electric sometime tomorrow or Monday or something.
So that means all this is gonna be here.
No, it's not going to be there. Once the lighting's in, it goes back in. The plug is going to be here.
Where?
Up here. I got the wire they pulled from that room into here, but I had to shut the power off and splice it. Because they there's an outlet under here somewhere in this mess. They put an outlet in there, so they got a wire here. Let me show you what these lights look like. Plug them in. That's not the way.
not gonna cause fire, honey.
No, it's not gonna cause a fire.
This is his really good, how do you call this? Japanese drink. Sake. Sake, yeah!
This is weird. I tested these already and I know they work.
So it doesn't work. So better just na, oy, sabi pa niya, hugasan daw niya ito. Hinugasan ko man ito lahat, oy. Magkaabog man talaga yan lahat. Crystal ito, guys, oh. Crystal. Para saan ba ito ga... yan ako. This is the light.
Pick the color you want also.
This is nice, hon.
What?
This one, oh.
Sake also. Goes with it. It goes with that.
Yeah, I know. You can do wine with this.
Yeah, it's really for sake. You don't really drink that little bit of wine. You do. Yeah, I'm back. Right now, I just laid out some in one. I just got an extension cord because I haven't pulled the power yet. And this will be essentially what it looks like with the, you know, with some of the glasses in there.
Okay, so
What do you mean? Now I gotta drill a hole down to here, then drill one up, come up here, then drill down, drill up, and come up here.
okay, make sure that you don't break anything, huh?
I'm telling you. I nothing like a book. All right, I'm going to see what day. I don't know if he leaves on the 3rd, or he's going to leave right away to get his car.
Hello guys. Ito na. Kasi po meron tayong mga sira-sirang na ito, sira-sira. Lutuin natin. 5 po sila. So, aguroy talaga. O, sobrang sira na. Sayang naman din itapon. Ito kasi, kapilang ilang beses ko na ito ginagawa, guys. Kasi, palagi tayong may mga tira-tirang banana na hindi kinakain. Binibili, hindi kinakain. Sabi pa niya, bibili daw niya dahil mura. Magkaano daw ito? Mga ilang daw, dolyares lang daw ito. $1 sa city niya ni... Ay, nako talaga. Nasira na. Halatang sira na banana. Ito talagang asawa ko, guys. So, ngayon, gawin natin itong banana bread na naman. Banana bread na lang itong mukha ko. Puro banana bread. Kasi itong asawa ko. Ay, nako talaga. Ang daming prutas, hindi nakakain. Sayang naman itong banana. Masarap din kasi itong banana bread, eh. Yung mga ganito, baluto, gawing banana bread. So, yun. Hindi natin itapon na para tayong sobrang yaman, di ba? So, pobre lang taon pod ko. Kailangan kong ilutuin kasi mahirap ang buhay. So, pagkatapos nito, kuha tayo ng flour. So, flour, 2 egg. Yun. 2 cups. Time lapse. Bilisan mo, Day, para madali. Ang tagal kasi, Wala kayong baking soda, baking powder pwede. 1 teaspoon ng baking soda, dalawahin ninyo ito dito. Kasi mahina po ito. Baking powder po. So, ang gagawin nyo is, 2, gano'n. Yan. And then, sabi pa, 1/4 daw teaspoon of table salt. So, ngayon, ako, bana-bana lugar. Okay, hold on. Ito naman, bana-bana kasi ganon, oh, di ba? Bana-bana. So, ito naman, meron tayong butter. Buong butter. I-melt natin siya kaunti. Huwag tagalan kasi baka maging tubig. Paminsan, may darating na kalungkutan, pero yung kalungkutan mag-transform sa kabaliwan. Kaya ito yung nangyari sa akin. Naging baliw, isayaw. Ano raw? Ito na guys, nilagay ko na yung 3/4 na sugar at saka yung butter na buo. And then, mag-mix tayo ng itlog. 2 itlog. ayusin natin itong pag-mix, itong butter at saka sugar. Kasi dito natin ilagay yung itlog na binabatil natin na dalawa. I-mix natin dito, okay? Yan. Maganda ito, meron akong hand mixer. Usually yung mga tao mag-hand mixer nito. Pero ayaw kong mag-hand mixer kasi ngayon maghugas na naman tayo, guys. So ayaw ko niyan kasi marami na tayong ano, 'di ba? So ang gagawin is mix lang natin sa tinidor. Itinidor natin. Kung wala tayong hand mixer, tinidor, guys. Pero dapat yung butter is kind of warm, soft na siya para madali lang siyang ganituhin. Ilagay natin yung banana dito sa mixture ng egg, sugar at butter or margarine, whatever you're using. Mix natin siya ulit. Dito na siya yung butter, sugar, egg, and then banana. Simple lang siya, guys. Very simple. So, kung meron kayong oven, kahit hindi na to sa oven yung mga steam lang dyan sa Pinas, na pwede siyang gawin sa labas, yung kahoy, and then i-steam ninyo. Diba? Pwede ito Ganyan ito yung auntie ko noon. Mahilig sa mga ganitong magluto-luto. Itinda sa eskwelahan. Pag recess, ito yung tinda niya. At saka ito yung mixed flour natin, guys. And then, i-mix natin dito yung ating mixture na basa. Ito siya, I-mix na natin siya dyan. And then, i-mix nyo lang siya pa ganito lang. One way, take it to the blue. Para hindi, yung dough niya, yung powder, yung dough, hindi siya yung parang, basta yung flour, hindi siya maging dough. Okay, so, mix nyo lang siya ng mix. Circle, circle. Yan, circle, circle nyo lang siya hanggang makita ninyo na mag-change yung texture. Okay. Ilagay na natin itong mixture. And then yung oven preheated. If you're in the Philippines, do a fire outside and don't steam them. You can steam them, this one, sa kayo. Diba? Dapat may tubig sa ilalim para hindi siya maging parang bato. Diba? So yun, guys, kailangan natin magluto ng itlog. Kunin na natin. Punk! Punk! Andito na yung itlog. Isa puti, diba? Itong puti. So, ito. Here's my baby. Look, here's my baby. So, habang naghihintay tayo sa oven, sa ating banana bread. So, gusto ko, mamaya yung banana bread is not ba with coffee. So, yun, ito na yung bread. Tapos na. Ilagay lang natin siya dito para maging hindi siya mainit. Diyan. Ano? You cannot have it. You cannot have this bread, love. You cannot. Look excited. Get down over there. You get spoiled, ha? Oo. Takot yan sa tubig. There's something really. Ha? No. Tignan nyo to, guys. No. Tignan nyo to. No, stay here like that. Stay here. Tignan nyo to. Pagka-baby na lang yun. Ang baby ni mama. Ang baby. Ang lalab ni mama. Ang baby. Ganyan. No, stay here. Not in my shoulder, baby. I love you, no? No.